Hey GED students, it's GED question of the daytime, and we've got a word problem. And just a fair warning to you, I'd grab my calculator, my TI-30XS multi-view calculator, same one I get on the GED, if I were going to do this problem, because you always get calculators with word problems on the GED. Let's take a look. It says, Janessa has a coupon for 25% off her entire purchase at Paylittle Shoe Company. If she purchases 5 pairs of shoes for $29.99 each, then uses her coupon, how much will she pay for her purchase? All right, what is this? This is a multi-step percent problem. They are one of the problem types that show up on the GED Math Study Guide. So you could see that there. Percentage also falls into the category of data analysis. So you could see it on science or social studies as well. Okay, so let's break down this problem by first looking for what they want me to find. So notice the question down here. It says, how much will she pay for her shoes or for her purchase? Now, we have a few things going on here. She's got quite a few shoes that she's going to get. So we definitely have to worry about the total shoe price. However, she also has a discount going on. So how much is she paying for her purchase? They're asking me to find the total shoe price less the discount. Great. Now that I've put the question into my own words, I've got a plan. I know what to do. First thing I'm going to do is find my total shoe price. So let's go look for information regarding that. It says if she purchases 5 pairs of shoes for $29.99 each. So she's buying the first pair of shoes for $29.99, the second pair of shoes for $29.99, the third pair of shoes for the same price, and so on and so forth. Basically, she's paying $29.99 5 times. Hear me say 5 times? Yeah. Multiplication is called timesing for a reason. It's when we have the same number getting totaled up multiple times. That's an example of multiplication. So I'm just going to multiply $29.99 by 5. And I get $149.95. Oh my dear goodness. That's a lot of money for my total shoe price. I'm so super glad that Janessa's got a discount. You know how us ladies are. We're always looking for that discount. So now we need to go less the discount. Now, I have an issue with students. I love you guys, but you do something really silly when it comes to percents. Let me show you what I mean. Notice that it says Janessa has a coupon for 25% off her entire purchase. So basically she's going to get a 25% discount. Now I'm going to grab a red pen because this is the mistake that most students make. Most students go, hey, 25%. I remember my teacher taught me to convert that into a decimal. Boom, boom. That's 0.25. And then they go, oh, it's just a 25-cent discount. Let me just subtract out 25 cents. Yeah, guys, 25% is not the same as 25 cents. Super glad you remember how to convert a percent to a decimal, but you don't just drop the percent sign and all of a sudden it's money, okay? So whenever you're doing percents are portions or pieces. And so you have to ask yourself 25% of what? Her discount is going to be a portion of what? It's going to be a portion of that total cost of the shoes. We're going to take 25% of $149.95. Now you might say, Kate, I don't know how to do that. Now's when converting the percent. Yes, we will do that. We can convert the percent into a decimal. That's 0.25. But you have to know what of means. Of means multiply. And this feels counterintuitive to students. They think it should mean divide. But no, it means multiply. I'm scaling $149.95. Now, if I times it by something small, like 25%, I'm scaling it down. If I were to times it by something large, like 200%, it'd be scaling it up. But multiplication is an act of scaling. Okay, great. So now let's go ahead and do that multiplication. 0.25 times 149.95. Now, that gives me this. It's an ugly number, 37, and it says 4875. Now, I know this. I want this to be money. I'm going to go ahead and round it now. You could round it now or at the end of the problem. It won't make a difference. And I do get 37.49. Now I have a lot of students who stop right here like, woohoo, I did all my work. Be really, really careful. What does this 25% represent? Well, this 25%, it says Janessa has a coupon for 25% off her entire purchase. That $37 we just found, that's the amount that's going to come off her entire purchase. That's the discount. Now, they didn't ask me how much will she save or what was the discount. They asked me how much will she pay for her purchase. So we said we were going to take the total shoe price, $149.95, and less the discount, take off the discount. We still need to subtract off the discount. Now you might say, Kate, how am I supposed to know that? You're supposed to have that common sense to know what happens with discounts. Discounts are subtracted off of your total order. So for my last little step here then, I'm going to take the total price of the shoes, $149.95, and I'm going to subtract out that $37.49 discount. And yay, Janessa is saving some cash. She's only going to spend $112.46, still more money than I have. I should go into another line of work besides teaching, but $112.46 on her shoes. All right. If you have any questions about this or any other GED topic, be sure to drop it in the comments and I'll do my best to answer it.